Welcome to the Lawn and Garden channel. Today we're talking about aerating, so let's get started. Ever wondered why your lawn looks less like a lush green carpet and more like a balding yeti? Chances are, it's screaming for aeration. Aeration, that magical process that lets your lawn breathe again, is not just poking random holes in your garden. It's an art and a science. Now, if you're picturing yourself with a pitchfork randomly assaulting your lawn, let's refine that image. There are several tools specifically designed for this task. First up, we have the spike aerator. Think of this as the acupuncture needle of lawn care. It simply pokes holes into the soil, allowing a little air in. It's like giving your lawn a bunch of tiny breaths of fresh air. Next, there's the plug aerator. This bad boy removes cores or plugs of soil from your lawn. It's like doing keyhole surgery on your grass to remove blockages and get nutrients flowing again. The removed soil plugs can be left on the surface, breaking down and returning nutrients back into the earth as they decompose. Moving on, let's talk timing. Timing is everything, not just in comedy, but in lawn care too. The prime time for aerating your lawn is during the growing season, when the grass can heal and fill in any open areas after soil plugs are removed. For cool season grass, early spring or fall is perfect. For warm season grass, late spring through summer works best. Remember, it's about giving your lawn room to grow, not creating a miniature obstacle course for ants. To get started, choose your tool of choice. For small yards, a manual aerator might be enough. It's basically a great workout and lawn care rolled into one. For larger areas, a motorized aerator, which you can rent from most garden stores, will save your back and your sanity. Aerate in a pattern that covers the area efficiently, much like mowing the lawn. Overlap your paths slightly to ensure you don't miss spots, because patchy aeration leads to a patchy lawn. It's like missing spots when shaving. Nobody wants a patchy beard, and nobody wants a patchy lawn. In summary, whether you use a spike or plug aerator, remember to do it during your grass's growing season. Do it thoroughly and systematically to ensure your lawn is evenly pampered. And there you have it, your guide to turning a suffocating lawn into a breathing, thriving green space. Because nothing says, "I care" quite like sticking holes in your lawn. Just be sure to wave to puzzled neighbors with a smile. They might just think you've taken up golf in your garden. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.